As we know, machines are making our work easier and faster. Means with applying even though less effort, we can use it very comfortably, we can lift up heavy loads, we can use it very properly. Okay, but in order to use this machine, we should care these machines also. So here we are going to discuss some of the points how to take care of your machines. So first we are having iron parts of machine should be painted to prevent from rusting. Whatsoever machines we are having, in that machine if any iron part is there, that iron part should be painted frequently, so that iron should be prevented from rusting. So what do you mean by rusting? Rusting means whenever iron is coming in contact with the oxygen or moisture or water, it will form iron oxide layer, Fe2O3 dot X molecules of water, which is a rust. Okay, so whenever iron is coming in contact with moisture, it will form the iron oxide, or we can say rust it is going to form, and this rust will slowly eat up the metal surface. So in order to prevent from the rust, we are using the paint in order to reduce it. Next we are having, in order to minimize the friction, in the moving part of vehicles, we are giving the oil or lubricant we are giving to the moving parts of the machine, so it can reduce the noise and wear and tear in the machinery parts. Next we are having, it is desirable to adjust the moving parts of machine from time to time. If you will see that yes, now my bicycle or now my car is not working properly, then you should take that bicycle or automobile to the care center, so that they can properly they can adjust the moving part by using some formulas and all. Okay, so it is desirable to adjust the moving parts from time to time. Next we are having, machine should be regularly cleaned. Means if you having a bicycle or you're having any simple kind machine in your house, that machine should be cleaned after regular intervals of time. Even though for example you are having an automobile, that should be go in a service center, that person can service it properly and it should be maintained properly. Whenever not in a use, whenever our machinery parts are not in use, for example our car is not, we are not moving, we are not using it many much, so that car should be covered, or that machinery parts or any simple machine should be covered properly, so that it will not affect by any dust particles. So write in the chat box how you are taking care of your machine in your daily life. Okay.